This short video provides a background introduction to this YouTube playlist. The videos posted here will chronicle the journey of a real money live traded stocks portfolio on the ASX stock market, warts and all, which is beating the ASX200 Accumulation Index by a large margin over the last 7+ years. I've been trading the stock market since 1990, not always profitably, but certainly with a lot of success since I turned the corner in 1997 when I first started trading using an objective trading system to trade the stock market. In this playlist, we'll show you trades which are bought when an unambiguous entry signal occurs and then are closed when a corresponding exit signal occurs, many weeks or months later, whether in profit or loss. The trading signals that you see here come from a deeply researched rules-based system, which is available for anybody to use for managing their own stock portfolios. Why is rules-based so important? Because it means that the content that you see in this playlist is repeatable and replicable by anybody. We'll delve into detail about the merits and challenges of trading the stock market with a rules-based system. Now, there are 3 ways to find any given trade signal on the day that it occurs. Firstly, we can run a pre-programmed scan in a charting software tool. Secondly, you can receive buy and sell notifications which are sent to an app on your smartphone on a daily basis, if any signals are present. Thirdly, the signals are displayed on stock charts, where you can step through a watch list to visually see each signal on the chart. This can be done because the researched criteria for the rules-based buy and sell signals are unambiguous and have been programmed into our charting software. You simply continue repeating this efficient process, which should take about 15 minutes a week, and certainly no more than an hour a week while you're still learning the process. This portfolio was paper traded real time according to the rules of the system from 1 January 2016, but with real money and real time since April 2017. Now that's well over 7 years, plenty of evidence to show how well a rules-based approach works. You'll see the ins and outs and ups and downs of this ASX stocks portfolio through a sophisticated portfolio manager. If you have any questions about this real money portfolio, please ask them right here on YouTube. If you enjoy the journey of following this real money portfolio, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell to be notified when new videos are published. And if you'd like to have a one-on-one chat to us about using this trend following trading system, then please call or email us. I wish you consistent and objective investing.